So before we get started today, I need to change this blade. I won't be able to get no work done. So let's see if I know how to change this blade based on what they told me on YouTube. You go to tools. That's what's gonna be so fun about this YouTube channel, is I'm a klutz. So I drop shit, I fuck shit up. Bear with me, laugh with me, laugh at me. I'm all good with it all. So we'll bring this all the way up. This should be pretty easy. Hope everybody's having a good day today. I had a pretty good day today. I should probably do this with some gloves. Safety first, safety glasses. Let's put some safety glasses on. Safety gloves. Safeties first. Yep. So far so good, fairly easy until you drop the nut. Like I said, I'm a klutz, so you will laugh a little about how many times I've dropped stuff. That's the blade. Got us a new blade right here. I bought the 10-inch 80 tooth. They said it's supposed to be better. Let's see about that. So this is gonna be an easy day. That's all I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna do any woodworking. Get this changed out. And then drop the phone. That's me, man. That's my life. Drop everything. Clutch for real. I've seen the best people using YouTube, and they all drop their phones or camera. I didn't do anything too bad. Might have broke the tripod, but it's all right. It's from the far below. I'll get another one. Make sure I'm going in the right direction. Before we get started, we need to find out that bolt. Carelessly dropped. I don't know what that is. And this is a temporary stand that I think it's sitting on. I need to build a stand so I can actually do stable work with this thing. Stable is the way to go. This goes on like so. So far, so good. Everything's working. As planned. Gauge back on. The gate. I actually need to bend this just a little bit. Excuse me for stepping out the frame. come back in frame, and I apologize for stepping out. Cool. Little test run. You're gonna step out of the way just in case that thing jump. Like I said, I'm a klutz, so I know how that'll work. All said and done. Subscribe, and thank you for stopping by the channel.